We welcome you back at 7:47. The three major COVID-19 vaccinations have proven to be safe and highly effective in protecting people from contracting COVID-19. However, many pregnant women have expressed concern about the potential risks associated with the vaccine. Dr. Amy Ravin is a SLUCare OBGYN joining us this morning to talk about how safe the vaccine is for pregnant women. Good morning.
Hello, thanks for having me.
So are pregnant women more likely to get even sicker, a more severe disease if they contract COVID?
Yes, they are. Pregnant women have been shown to have a higher risk of hospitalization, a higher risk of needing ventilation or intubation, and even a slightly higher risk of death. They are considered in a medically high-risk group by the CDC.
That's scary stuff. So what do we know about pregnancy and the vaccines?
Well, we are gathering data currently. The pregnant women were initially excluded from the vaccine trials, but there were a few women who became pregnant during those trials. And the CDC is collecting data actively as people are vaccinated. And all of the data appears very reassuring. Additionally, there were teratology studies done on the vaccine in rats before, pregnant rats and lactating rats prior to the vaccine development, and those also showed absolutely no risk.
And of course, many pregnant women are certainly concerned about protecting their unborn child. What do we know about the vaccine and that?
Great question. Absolutely. And so there's actually a brand new study that just came out in the last week that shows that pregnant women create just as good a response to the vaccine as non-pregnant women. They seem to have exactly the same kinds of vaccine side effects, mostly having a sore arm, and they create just as many antibodies, which are protective against the virus. And some of those antibodies have been shown to cross the placenta and then therefore help protect the baby.
So you would recommend pregnant women get the vaccine?
They absolutely should consider it if they are, unable to avoid their own exposures and also depending on the risk in the community. So yes, we absolutely consider it safe. And all the major groups do, the CDC, American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and the Society of Maternal Fetal Medicine, which are the high-risk obstetric experts, all agree that these vaccines appear very safe. It's important to note that the vaccines do not contain any live virus, so there's no chance of getting the virus, so there's no chance of the baby getting the virus.
Right, and of course.
There are actually, I was going to say, and there are a number of vaccines that we use routinely in pregnancy, both to help protect the pregnant woman and the newborn, things like the flu vaccine and the whooping cough vaccine. So we have lots of experience in using vaccines during pregnancy.
All right, doctor, thank you so much for your time this morning. Of course, in consulting your own physician, always the best advice as well. And if you'd like to learn more about this, we've got a website, slucare.edu, and we'll link you to it on our website as well as our Fox 2 mobile app. We'll be right back.